Welcome to Feridax Max. This is the Sidi X-Power. The X-Power and X-Power Lay join the Sidi family as worthy successors to the ever-popular X3 and X3 Lay. The boot is constructed from a combination of waterproof Techno microfabric and thermoformed microfiber, a reliable material that gives the footwear durability and high comfort. The boot features 4 adjustable points of closure with aluminium micrometric levers with a memory function. The X-Power comes in sizes from 42 to 48 and is available in black, grey, blue and red. The X-Power Lay is the ladies' version of the X-Power boot. It features the same TPU reinforced shin plate and micrometric fasteners. It comes in sizes from 39 to 43 and is available in one colourway, white. For more information on the X-Power or the X-Power Lay, speak to your Feridax account manager.